Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 computer that says your account has been disabled. Please see your system administrator and you are experiencing this error on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on resolving this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do, if you're on the lock screen here, you just have to scroll up and then go onto your users page and then select the power icon in the bottom right corner. Hold down the shift key on your keyboard and then select restart. You want to select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. There should be a command prompt option, so go ahead and left click on that. And now we're going to begin. So first thing you want to do is just go ahead and just type in regedit, so regedit, exactly how you see it on my screen here, and go ahead and hit enter. So what this is going to do is it's going to open up the registry editor, which will be very important for where we're going to be heading for today's tutorial. So now you want to left click on the HK local machine folder, and then select the file tab, select load hive, select this PC on the left side, go on your local disk where Windows is installed and double click on it. Double click on the Windows folder. And now you want to locate something that says System32, which we all should be familiar with. So go ahead and double click on System32. And now you want to locate a folder in here that says config. Double click on that. And now there should be a folder that says SAM. Double click on this one as well. So I'm just going to go and type in the word test. You can type in anything you want at this point. I'm just going to type in test key, exactly how you see it on my screen here. And then I'm going to select OK. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and expand the HK local machine folder. It should have our test key value in here. Double click on it. And then there should be a SAM folder under here. Double click on that. And then there should be a domains folder. Double click on that. There should be an account folder. Double click on that. And then there will be a users folder. Double click on that one as well. I'm going to make this a little bit wider here because we're definitely going to need it. And now you want to locate a value right near the top that should have 00000 1F4. Just go ahead and left click on that one time. And then on the right side, there should be a value that says F. So go ahead and double click on this value. Now there should be a value near the bottom. So there shouldn't be that much here. It should be something that ends in 38. You want to change whatever this value is. So you see this 11. You want to change it to the number 10. Delete the 11. I just tapped right next to it and tapped the delete key. And then I'm going to type 10. So again, it should say 10. And then 02 after. You didn't have to type anything else in. Again, just the 10. And then once you're done with that, you just select OK, and then you close out of the registry editor. You know, it was very complicated to make that small little change, but that's literally all we had to do here. So go ahead and close out of here, and you could type exit into the command prompt, or you can close out of it. Doesn't matter to me. Go ahead and continue to Windows, and you should be able to get into your user account now. Hopefully it'll just sign you right into your user account. And if not, you may have to select it from the user list. Now you're going to go ahead and open up the start menu search, type in computer management. Best results should come back with computer management. So go ahead and open that up. So we're not completely done yet, but we're almost there. So now double click on the local users and groups. So local users and groups, left click on the users folder, double click on the user account that you're having the problem with over here on the right. Again, it'll vary, so again, just select your computer username. And if it says account is disabled, you want to uncheck that option so make sure account is disabled is not selected there. And then you would select apply and OK. And that's all you have to do. And you can check other accounts in here as well, make sure they're not disabled. And like I said, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.